friends, happy Monday. All right, today you're going to be learning all about weather. So, today I'm going to be doing your letters and sounds activity, and it says we're going to do cloud writing. So, if you remember before we left, before spring break, we were learning about weather. And one of the days we talked all about our different clouds. So, I just wanted to read these one more time just to see if you remember, and so we can look at these words again. All right, so the first cloud that we learned about was called cumulus clouds. Let me hold it up closer so you can see. All right, so it says cumulus clouds are white and puffy clouds of all shapes and sizes. So these are the pretty clouds you see in the sky on a nice day when it's kind of sunny, and you can look at these clouds and see different shapes. So some might look like different things. Like this one to me kind of looks like a bunny rabbit with an ear. So if you see these clouds outside, you can look at them and see what kind of shapes you see. The next kind of clouds that we learned about were cirrus clouds. And remember, these were the ones that were thin and wispy, and these are really high in the sky. So these are the ones that kind of look like feathers to me. They're really thin and wispy. And you see these when it's kind of sunny outside, and they're really, really high up. The next clouds we learned about were stratus clouds. So these clouds are gray and flat clouds that carry rain or snow. So if you can see, the bottom of them they're really dark gray. That's because they're holding water that's going to either be rain or snow. So if you see these, you might want to get an umbrella or go put on a raincoat. The last ones that we learned about were cumulonimbus. These were the gray and tall clouds that make tornadoes and hail. Let me see if y'all can see it. There we go. So cumulonimbus clouds are storm clouds. They're very big and gray, and they usually cause thunder and lightning, or they have thunder and lightning inside of them. So if you see these clouds, you might want to go inside. So those are the 4 clouds that we learned about. And now, on our activity page, it says that we're going to do cloud writing. So, what you're going to need for this is a baking sheet or something that's hard and that you can wipe off really easy because we're going to get it messy. And if you have some shaving cream at home, your mom or dad might have some, you can use it. If you don't have any shaving cream or a baking sheet or anything like this, keep watching because we're going to do something different at the end in your journal in case you don't have this stuff. So, but if you do this with your mom or dad or someone so that you don't make a mess everywhere. You need to get your baking sheet and you just squirt a little bit of shaving cream on there, and then kind of spread it out with your fingers. It feels really good. It feels so soft. All right. Ooh, I'm getting it all over me. All right, so once you've got it all spread out, we're going to start writing in it. So we're going to pretend like this is a piece of paper and that our finger is our pencil. So I just want you to think of whatever letters you want to write. You can write your name. Let's turn it this way to write. You can write some of your sight words. You can write upper and lowercase letters, whatever you want to do. So let's start by writing a word, and let's write cloud since we're talking about clouds today. All right, C-O-L, C-O-W, U, uh-oh, I wrote a little bit too big, and D, cloud. All right, so when you are done writing, to erase it, all you have to do is swipe over it just like that and start over. All right, if you do this and your mom is really nice and lets you do this in the house or outside, be very careful. And look, the shaving cream only needs to go on here. Don't touch your baby sister with it. Don't wipe it on the carpet. Keep it on your hand and on here. And when you're done, go in the sink and wash it off. But since I'm doing a video, I'm going to wipe mine off on a paper towel so I can show you what we're going to do in our journal. And your hand's going to smell really good after doing this. Uh-oh, Miss Tucker's got it all over me. Oh no. Okay, I think I got most of it. All right, so next I want you to get your journal. And if you did the shaving cream, you can do this too. If you didn't do the shaving cream, this is what I want you to do in your journal. All right, so you need to get something to write with, a marker, a crayon, or a pencil or something. Find a clean page. You know the drill. Let's see. Here we go. Here's my next clean page. And I want you to draw some clouds in your journal. So clouds are kind of circular shaped, and you kind of move your hand like this when you're drawing it. Watch me. See how I did that? Or you know what? Your cloud can look like this. You can make your cloud look however you want it to be, but make it big enough so that we can write some letters inside them. So we're making cloud letters. All right, now I want you to go through, and you can do this on more than one page if you want to do all the letters. But I want you to go through and write one letter in each cloud. So I'm going to show you how I want you to do it. I'm just going to write letter C for cloud. I'm going to write it inside there. Next, I want you to pick a letter and go inside here and write one letter in each cloud. And when you're done with that, you are done with letters and sounds for today. Have a great day.